Assalamualaikum class 8. Hope you all will be good. We are doing book exercise of unit number 4 Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. Today date is 28/7/2020. It's my 26th lecture and day is Tuesday. So see the grammar portion. It's given on page number 41. Abstract noun. See the definition of abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of a quality, action or state. Abstract noun are formed from adjective, verb and common noun. So they are saying that what is abstract noun? You know that abstract noun tells us the quality, state and action, but these abstract noun can be found from the adjectives, verb and common noun. यानी abstract noun को हम adjective से, verb से या common noun से भी बना सकते हैं. So all the things which we can feel we can't see is called abstract noun. जितने भी अशिया जो भी हम फील कर सकते हैं, देख नहीं सकते या टच नहीं कर सकते, we said them abstract noun. Example is given. She faced every calamity of life with patience and valor. So patience and valor both are abstract noun. यानी सब्र के साथ और बहादुरी के साथ. So all of these things we can just feel, we can't touch patience and valor. That's why these nouns are abstract noun. See question number B. Form abstract noun from the following adjectives and verb. Use these nouns in sentences of your own. So the words are given, adjectives are given, and we make abstract noun from these adjectives, such as courageous. From courageous we say courage is abstract noun. Empty, emptiness. Difficult, difficulty. Generous, generosity. Resolute, resolution. Suffer, suffering. Put article where required. Article a and the. So just the article we will write in these sentences where required. Required means if we require to put any article, then we will put article in these sentences. Some of the sentences we don't need to put any article. See, trees are grown on either side of the canal. We write the here. Her courage and patience is exemplary. So we don't put any article in sentence number 2. Kindness and tolerance are noble deeds. Here we also don't put any article, because with abstract nouns such as courage, kindness, patience, tolerance, we don't write any article. Abstract noun के साथ हम articles नहीं लिखते. The higher you go, the cooler it is. Sentence number 5. He is the tallest. We write the tallest because it's superlative degree. We write the tallest in the class. The dog is a faithful animal. The Indus is the largest river in Pakistan. The Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Whenever we write the name of some specific person or specific thing, such as Indus is the one in the whole world. Say Mount Everest is the one mountain in the world. यानी वो चीज़ तो दुनिया में सिर्फ एक है, स्पेसिफिक है. सच एज द होली कुरान, हम हमेशा द होली कुरान लिखते हैं. द इंडस रिवर सिर्फ इज़ द लार्जेस्ट रिवर. सो दैट्स वाई वी राइट द विद दिस प्रॉपर नाउन. वैसे प्रॉपर नाउन के साथ हम दा नहीं लगाते, लेकिन अगर वो जस्ट वन है तो फिर उनके साथ दा लगेगा. जिस तरह अगर आप किसी का नेम लिखते हैं, मैं अपने नाम के साथ दा नहीं लगा सकती, दा तहरीम जो है इनकरेक्ट हो जाएगा. बट इफ़ वी हैव सम स्पेसिफिक नेम्स सच एज द कायद आज़म, द इलामा इकबाल, द होली प्रॉफिट, द पर्सन हु इज़ वन इन द वर्ल्ड, or the anything who is just one in the world, then we put the with this proper noun. Aliza, see Aliza is proper noun, but we don't write the with Aliza. Aliza is the most intelligent girl in the school. So superlative degree is written, that's why we write the most intelligent. Where are the books which I brought a week ago? I hope you have understand how we will put article in this activity. Preposition of time. So preposition is written, 3 prepositions are written here in, at, on. These prepositions are considered as preposition of time. We have preposition of time, preposition of place. So in preposition of time we have 3 preposition in, एट, ऑन, यानी टाइम के लिए अगर हम प्रपोजिशन लिखेंगे तो उनमें जस्ट 3 प्रपोजिशंस है, इन, एट, ऑन. देन यूज़ एंड एग्जाम्पल्स आर रिटन. In is used in these conditions and examples are written in front of it, such as in is used in with the name of months, such as in June, in September. यानी अगर months के नेम आएंगे तो हम उसमें in लिखेंगे, in June, in September. Year, in 2011, in 1999. With seasons, in winter, in the summer of 2011. Part of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Duration, in a second, in week, in 2 weeks. So these are the uses and these are the examples when we use preposition of time in. Now at, part of the day, at night. Time of day, at 8 o'clock, at midnight. Celebrations, at Eid. Fixed phrases at the same time. So all of these conditions are given when we use preposition at. Preposition on, day of the week, on Sunday, on Friday. यानी अगर हम वीक का लिखेंगे तो हम on लिखेंगे, अगर हम मंथ का लिखेंगे तो उसमें हम in लिखेंगे. Date, on the 20th of August. So we are writing the whole date, on the 20th of August. Special holiday, on Iqbal Day, on my birthday. A special part of a day, on the morning of October the 11th. So these are the conditions when we use preposition on. See question number E. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition given below each sentences. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated, option number B, migrated from Makkah to Medina. Abu Jahl in a fit of fury, option number C, in a fit of fury headed towards Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq's home. He began knocking at the door violently. At this, she instantly ran to, option number C, to a corner of the house. She has resolute faith in Allah Almighty. She gave away all the money to the poor and the needy. Her life would always be a beacon of light, option number B, for all of us. Fill in the blanks with preposition of time. So we will write preposition of time according to the rule. See, Ali is arriving on January 26 at 2 o'clock. When we have to write time, we write at 2 o'clock, and with month we write on. With month and the date is also mentioned here. With month we write on January 26 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Saqib is leaving on Friday. We write on with the name of the days, on Friday at noon. Asher has started working for his law firm in 1995. So with date we write 1995, with year, date of the year. When we have mentioned some year, then we write in. I met Shaheen at 9 o'clock. So when we write time, we write at. The doctor will see Aliza in the evening. In the evening is a part of our day. When we write the part of the day, we will write in the evening. Sobia has her birthday on September 11th. With any special day, we write on. We will have vacation in summer. So I hope you have understand this activity. See question number G. Punctuate the following using capital letter, comma and full stop. We will write punctuation letter. First, T will be capital, H will be capital in holy, P will be capital in prophet. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his close companion Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. And his close companion, after companion you will put comma. Hazrat H will be capital, Hazrat Abu Bakr, Abu, A will be capital, B will be capital, and Siddiq S will be capital. After Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha, you will put comma again. Migrated from Makkah to Medina. Makkah and Medina is the name of a city. You will write M capital in Makkah and Medina in the year 622 AD. So you write A capital dot in a full stop and then D and then full stop. On O will be capital on their way to Medina. So M will capital, it is name of a city, to Medina. They sought temporary refuge in the cave of Thor. T will be capital and then you put full stop at the end of the sentence. I hope you have understand all of this activity. You have to complete your book exercise. In my next lecture I will start review exercise. That is your work. Allah Hafiz.